Welcome to LWTech's 2022 Virtual Open House. My name's Ted, and I'm the president of the Associated Student Government.
And I'm Claudia, the Public Relations on ASG. We are so excited you could join us this year.
The Open House is your chance to explore all of the things that make LWTech such a great place to learn the skills you need for the job you want. Whatever your goals are, LWTech can help you reach them. And it's more than just that. The LWTech experience goes beyond just the classroom.
Yes, LWTech is a college with a strong sense of community. I love LWTech because my voice is heard here as a student. I feel supported, cared for, and included in the campus experience. At LWTech, all are welcome and you will belong. To me, LWTech is a family college. My sister studied here a few years ago, and I'm graduating this spring. I love being in LWTech Lion.
You can experience the campus community yourself during this year's Open House. In addition to this year's virtual content, you can take a campus tour in person and see our classrooms and community for yourself. Register for a tour on Tuesday at noon or Wednesday at 6 p.m. right here on the Open House webpage.
And if you are not able to make the in-person tour, feel free to use our virtual map to explore the campus by taking a virtual walking tour by department or by location.
And don't forget to sign up or just pop in to any of our information sessions in the programs that you are interested in. Faculty and staff will be standing by to answer any questions and provide you with information on how to get started.
Find out for yourself what makes LWTech such an amazing place to learn. We can't wait to see you.